Hello traders, my name is Rakesh and I am from team Nifty Analysis. We will talk a lot about Bhumi in this video today. Bhumi is a stock market indicator that is based on GANN breakouts, and with its add-on features, we get clear entries, perfect stop loss and pinpoint targets. Recently, we have added quite a few new confirmations, and in this video, I'll walk you through and understand Bhumi much better. Bhumi 2.0 is a market directional indicator that has been designed on tradingview.com, and tradingview.com is a social platform for all traders. You can create your account for free, and Bhumi works on a free account. If you do not have an account with TradingView, you can click on the link below to create a free TradingView account. Now, once you get access to this indicator, you will have to go to f of x, click on invite only, and you will see Bhumi 2.0 here. You click on it and Bhumi is on your screen. Great. So once we plot Bhumi 2.0, every chart makes more sense. It becomes more meaningful, right? So when you plot Bhumi 2.0, there are a couple of components that we see on the screen. Just to list them down, we have zones, we have reversal and breakout levels, we have trend stars, and we have breakout triangles. So let's see what each component means. Green zone shows that there is a demand in the market, whereas red shows there is a supply in the market. Where there is neither a green zone nor a red zone signifies that the market is sideways. Now we also see labels on a screen. Whenever there is a demand in the market and there is a GANN breakout, you see a buy label, and whenever there is a supply in the market and there is a GANN breakout, we see a sell label. Similarly, we have a label at the very left top. Now this says that intraday uptrend and also 1 hour uptrend. So what does this mean? So let's take a split window here, and I take Kotak Mahindra 3 minutes, my intraday default time frame in the first window. In the second window, I take the same symbol, Kotak Mahindra, as 1 hour. Now, even in 1 hour, I see that the stock has been moving up consistently, and this shows that the possibility of the stock moving up is high than going low. So whenever we have a confirmation in a lower trend as an uptrend and also higher trend as an uptrend, we enter all the bullish breakouts. Trend stars, as the name suggests, they show us that there is a change of trend in the market. So if you see a green star, that's a bullish trend. If there is a red star, that is a bearish trend. Great, so we just learned about the zones and the stars. Now the third important component of Bhumi 2.0 is the reversal and breakout levels. I'll take a moment here and walk you through these levels, as they will help you in right entries, stop loss and targets. So I'll take out the price for a moment, and this is how the levels are shown on your chart. Buy from here says that this is a fair price for a stock to start buying from here, and sell from here says that there's a fair price for a stock for you to start selling. So these two are important and key levels when you trade. Now above sell from here, the zone is marked in green. That means that it is a bullish zone. Anything below buy from here, it's marked in red. That means it is a bearish zone. Now why are these called reversal and breakout zones? So as I said, these two are important levels, sell from here and buy from here. A bearish stock would tend to take a reversal at buy from here, and a bullish stock will tend to take a reversal from sell from here. Similarly, these two levels, sell from here and buy from here, would also act as a support at this level and also at this level. We always try and enter a bullish trend at buy from here or at the breakout of sell from here. Similarly, if you are bearish, we'll always try and enter at sell from here or at the breakdown of buy from here. Now when you enter a bullish trade, typically your stop loss would be few points below buy from here or a nearest swing low. And if you are entering a bearish trade at sell from here, then your stop loss would be few points above the sell from here zone or the nearest swing high. For a bullish trade which started at buy from here, the first target would be sell from here. Bullish breakout is your target 2. Bullish target is your target 3. Now, if you are bearish and you've just entered a trade at sell from here, then your target 1 is buy from here. Your target 2 is bearish breakout and your target 3 is your bearish target. However, if you have entered at sell from here for a bullish trade, your T1 is bullish breakout and T2 is your bullish target. Similarly, if you have entered a bearish trade at the breakdown of buy from here level, then your T1 is your bearish breakout and T2 is your bearish target. Now let's put the price back on and understand about the purple candles. Now if you see here, I'll zoom in, and this is a bullish purple candle. So these are very rare and these are high probable setups. So what does this mean? Is there is a demand in the market, and also there is a GANN breakout, and also there is a change in the trend at the same time. So when there's a confluence of all these three components at Bhumi 2.0, you will see a purple candle. Similarly, you will see a purple bearish candle as well. Now we see these little triangles in green and also in the red in Bhumi 2.0. These indicate that there was a breakout of a key zone. What does that mean? It's either a buy from here breakout or a sell from here breakout. Similarly, you will see a red triangle if there is a breakdown of one of these zones. Now, just to show you an example, I'll pick up another stock, Infi, and I'll go today, and here is the breakout. So a buy from here, as we talked about, is a fair price for us to start buying. So whenever there is a breakout of the zone, the possibility of the stock going high are very fair. So once we have a breakout, as we talked about our stop loss, I'm going to put a stop loss at this swing low, right, and enter a trade for this lower line as my target 1 and this as my target 2. Now we also see a red triangle here, but it didn't do well. The reason being, first is this sell from your zone is a fair price for us to start selling, and the second best place for us to start selling is below this level. Now it shows that in intraday it is an uptrend, so the possibility of stock moving up is very high. So as a beginner of Bhumi 2.0, we will trade only the green triangles when there is an uptrend, and similarly we'll trade the red triangles only when there is a downtrend. Alright, so now let's take a couple of stocks to understand the trades. Go to the top, I click on RPL Bank, and intraday is uptrend, whereas 1 hour shows downtrend, right? So we'll try and enter only the bullish signals here. So this is a 918 candle where there was a clear breakout of sell from here. Above sell from here, it's all bullish. So with the stop loss few points below here, because of the swing is too far, so few points, less than half of this candle. Let me remove the magnet mode. Yeah, so somewhere here you put your stop loss and trade this for target 1, 188.4, and 190.5 as your target 2. Now I'm on Bajaj Finserv. Is intraday is again uptrend, whereas 1 hour trend is downtrend. And again there was a breakout. No, there wasn't a breakout on the GANN breakout, right? So there was a strong resistance here at sell from here. So I would wait for a break out of this. So this candle was a breakout, and my stop loss would be, somewhere here, swing low, and this as my target 1 and this as my target 2. Now let me pick Reliance as well. Reliance again shows uptrend, and there was a buy on the 915 candle, so it is gone way above our daily levels. So in this case, what we will do is we will switch to a higher time frame levels. And in the higher time frame levels, on 5th of November, we have buy. So definitely the stock is bullish, and the possibility of reaching till here was very high. And if you see, the buy from here has again acted as a resistance, as we spoke about the reversal and breakout zones. So as we were talking about the uptrend levels and the downtrend levels in the labels here, necessarily it is not always an uptrend a buy would do well and a sell would not do well. At times, even a downtrend label, a buy would definitely work. So that is for little advanced traders. So once you try using Bhumi for 2 to 3 months, you will understand the behavior and you can enter the opposite direction labels as well. So let me show you an example here. So maybe let's look at Maruti here. Maruti in intraday is uptrend, but definitely 1 hour trend is a downtrend, which shows that there is a possibility of the stock going down is also there, right? When both are uptrend and when both are downtrend, do not enter the reverse signals. So now, as we talked about the reversal levels, the best place for the stock to start selling is at sell from here, and the next is below buy from here. So we clearly have a breakout on this candle, right? But there was no breakdown. So as soon as there was a breakdown here, we can definitely enter with a stop loss above this, right? With a target 1 and a target 2. But this is definitely not for newbies. People who have been with us for quite some time, at least for 2 to 3 months, who knows the behavior of Bhumi, can definitely trade such signals. Now let's try and understand why is it very important to take higher time frame confirmation. On the same Maruti chart, I'll split the screen again and I'll have one chart on the right as 1 hour and change this to black so that it's visible on the white chart. Now we have a sell label here in a lower time frame. There was no breakout and we would definitely enter on the breakdown of this. And in the higher time frame, if you look at my cursor, let me mark it. This is here is the line, and the same line is also marked here. If you look at the reversal levels, there is a fair possibility of the stock taking a reversal here at the sell from here. So this confirms the trend, and whenever there is a breakdown, it enters into a supply zone just below sell from here, and the stock is definitely bearish here, and you can trade for your target 1 and target 2 here. The stock fell down further here, right, which clearly shows in a higher time frame that there is a possibility of the stock reaching 6880.2, right? So that's how you will take multiple time frame confirmations. Let's look at another stock, RBL Bank, and we definitely spoke about this as an uptrend stock, and we entered a buy on the breakout of this zone, right? And if you look at the same in a higher time frame, which is 1 hour, we had a beautiful purple candle, and it is definitely bullish above the sell from here. This is a bullish zone, and this also confirms that you can go for a buy because you have a confirmation of the GANN breakout in a higher time frame in the lower time frame. Thank you so much guys for all the love that you have for the Bhumi and our team Nifty Analysis. Being a market research firm, we have an edge to be at the top of the ever-changing markets, and having a great team makes it possible to bring our research to you in the form of these indicators. You can reach us on the WhatsApp support number for any further questions. Signing off for now. Have a great day.